Hello everybody, Chris here, and in this video I want to show you guys a great way that you can reuse title templates that you've created using a Fusion composition clip across multiple projects. So we can see over on the Fusion page that I just added a bunch of nodes. We have a simple little animation here. If I go ahead and hit play, and we're just supposing I'd want to save this for reuse. So now, how do you use a Power Bin and how do you share the file between projects? So if we go up to the View tab on Edit or any other page, we can go down to the bottom here and there's an option here, Show Power Bins. We want to check that, and then over here in the Media Pool, Power Bins is going to show up. So we want to right click and add a new bin. I'll just go ahead and call this the Titles bin. So this now can store any of the Fusion compositions we want to share across other projects. So I'm just going to take this Fusion composition here. I'm going to drag it into the bin and I'm going to hit F2 or double click on it to give it. And now I'm going to select it and hit F2 to rename it. We can call it Fusion Title Template 1 or any other name you want to give it. Now let's go ahead and start a new project. So I'll go to File, New Project, and let's just call it Power Bin Test here. And now we're in here. As long as View Show Power Bins is checked, we can go down to Power Bins, find our bin here. So we have titles. And now we can drag this template into our project, and we should have exactly the same title ready to use. So now I can go ahead and hit play here, have the Fusion title render. We can also click on it, go back over to the Fusion page, and we can make whatever edits we need to the original template. We could even resave it in the same Power Bin as a second modified template. So that's basically how you can use Power Bins to save a title as a template for later and then reuse it in future projects just by accessing the right bin in the media pool and making sure that Power Bins is visible. So super simple, and I hope you'll find that super helpful as well. I've been Chris, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my future Resolve content.